Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just so it's going to show for you like this. You go down, click here on library down here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so you keep going down. So then you come here to theme, just click on it. You click here on white here. So then you click here on set. Then automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.